Hey there, language enthusiast. Are you ready to unlock the power of words and elevate your English speaking skills? We understand that English can be a challenging language to master, but fear not. Here we have got some practical tips to help you shine in your English conversations. Tip 1. Practice regularly. Whether it's speaking with friends, reading out loud, or even recording yourself, consistent practice is the key to improvement. Tip 2. Expand your vocabulary. Learn new words every day and try to incorporate them into your conversations. Tip 3. Watch English movies and shows with subtitles. It's an enjoyable way to pick up new phrases and improve your listening skills. Tip 4. Don't be afraid to seek feedback. Ask native speakers or language enthusiasts for input on your speaking. So there you have it. Remember, practice, expand your vocabulary, watch and seek feedback. With determination, you can elevate your English speaking skills. For more language tips and personalized guidance, check out Mission Learning. Let's embark on this language journey together. Don't forget to like, share and follow us for more language inspiration. Stay tuned for our next video. Thank you.